In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your recordings on Zoom for Windows. If you've recorded meetings in Zoom and you're not sure where those files went, don't worry. Zoom makes it fairly easy to locate them once you know where to look. I'll walk you through the process clearly so you can find either your cloud recordings or the recordings saved directly to your computer. First, open the Zoom desktop app on your Windows computer. Once Zoom is open, look toward the top of the app window and click Hub. This will take you to an area where Zoom organizes different types of content connected to your account, including your recordings. After you're inside Hub, move over to the panel on the left-hand side and click Recordings. This is where Zoom stores the list of recordings associated with your account. At the top of the recording section, you'll see different categories you can switch between. These usually include cloud recordings, computer recordings, and My Notes recordings. At this point, click the category that matches the way your meeting was recorded. For example, if the meeting was saved directly on your Windows PC, choose Computer Recordings. If it was recorded online through Zoom's cloud service, choose Cloud Recordings instead. Selecting the correct tab is important because each tab shows a different storage location. Once you click the right recording type, Zoom will display a list of your recorded meetings. In that list, you can review useful details such as the topic, the meeting ID, the start time, and the location. This makes it easier to identify the exact recording you need, especially if you have multiple meetings saved. If you want to open the folder where a specific recording is stored on your computer, hover over that recordings row and look to the right side for the More Options icon. Click that icon, then choose View File Location. Zoom will immediately open your computer's file browser to the folder where that recording is saved. From there, if you want to confirm exactly where the file lives on your system, click the file browser from your taskbar and check the address bar at the top. That will show you the full file path, which can be helpful if you want to move the file, back it up, or share the folder with someone else. And that's it. That's how to find your recordings on Zoom for Windows. Once you know to go through Hub and then recordings, it becomes much faster to locate anything you've saved, whether it's in the cloud or on your computer.